Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an
an
la ilaha
la ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammad
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
I testify
I testify
that there is none worthy of worship
there's none worship
except Allah,
except Allah.
and I testify
And I testify
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is the Prophet of Allah.
is the Prophet of Allah.
Allahu Akbar. Welcome to Islam,
Allahu
my
Akbar.
brother.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Can I ask you a little bit about your journey, how you arrived at this
Sure.
point?
Yeah, no problem. No problem. Yep.
So if you could explain how you've arrived at your situation and your position, and inshallah, maybe in the future we can have a longer discussion.
Yeah, we could. Yeah, we arrived here.
2 years ago,
We went to Crete, and I always believed in a creator. So in the Jesus story, I really didn't believe that he was like God, like the Trinity. I never believed. I knew there was a creator, that's for sure. So and then it became like more popular like lately in the media. Like stuff, you just come across some videos. Also, I follow it a lot, and he to Islam, and I thought, well, I all thought there was something, but because he came Muslim. Well, let me look into that, because the picture of Islam in the media is very negative.
and we always thought negative as well.
Yeah, I was really like an kind of an anti-Muslim. Me, I was always because the media is just anti.
We're from Holland, eh?
Yeah, we from Holland, so yeah, I mean, like the prisons on our place are full with Muslims. I mean, and they are not following Islam, but they call themselves Muslims. So that's
Sure.
not.
Well, what I'd like to do, brother, with you and with your wife, with your permission, of course,
Sure.
is that I'm going to put our email on the screen.
Yeah.
And please do email us. And what we will try to do is number one, try to get you some resources, information to help
Yeah.
you with your journey. But also, obviously, you don't have to identify yourself, but we could do maybe a little stream recording of your
Sure.
journey and how you arrived, and that might help other brothers and sisters and encourage them
Sure. Yeah.
who are thinking
good.
about taking the same step. So,
Yeah, sure, no problem.
alhamdulillah, it's a great honor and a great pleasure to have you on our stream, and alhamdulillah, very honorable for all of us, alhamdulillah, to be able to witness your shahada. So thank you for allowing that to happen.
Yeah, thank you for guiding us.
Guidance comes from Allah, my brother, and we're just an instrument. We just feel very honored and privileged that Allah has used us in this journey. But we believe, of course, as Muslims, we believe all guidance, the opening of hearts, this comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Yeah.
So, and it's wonderful it's wonderful that you've both accepted Islam at the same time, because then you can help each other on your journey and support each other.
Yeah, we already do. Yeah.
Alhamdulillah, that's really amazing to know. And I'm sure in the future we'll speak again. Please do email us. We've put the email on the screen. I'll just put it up there again.
Put it in the chat. It's easier.
We'll put it in the chat for you as well. That's great.
That's easier.
Thank you so much for coming on, and I'm sure we'll speak again soon.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks. And
you're welcome, brother. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye.
Wa alaikum salam. Wow, that was subhanallah amazing. So we're gonna inshallah put the email in the chat for the brother.
I've put it in the chat already.
Alhamdulillah.
It's beautiful, mashallah, isn't it? Because he said that, may Allah bless him, he said he was anti-Islam.
Yeah.
Because of the media. And I think when people look at it, then you and they actually start researching into Islam, they realize actually what the media portrays is not anything near what Islam is. Islam is a beautiful treasure, mashallah. So I think that we'll try and make time to have that discussion with the brother and sister for the other people of the Netherlands and Holland to sort of to benefit from, inshallah.
Yeah. So I think this brother and sister from Crete.
Oh, they're in Crete, but they were.
I think they're
originally from Holland, were they all?
I think they said something like that. But you know, Imran, what's amazing, and brother Ijaz and brother Nazam, and obviously we see this happening a lot, and we have examples of it in EFDawah. We've got brother Chris, mashallah, who was he admits he was an Islamophobe. He admits that he was on marches. He would literally go on marches with the right-wing groups here to basically kick out Muslims from Britain. He did not want to see Muslims in this country. And out of his interest to perhaps gain more knowledge, to be able to badger Muslims with, to defeat their arguments, to make them look bad, make them look silly, that journey resulted in him, a year or so later, I think it was, taking his shahada. We've got the video, obviously, of Chris on our channel as well, and this is not uncommon. We see examples of it in Holland, we see examples in Switzerland, we see examples in England, where people who are really anti-religion, anti-Islam in particular, who when they study Islam, they realize just how remarkable and how different it is from what they were being told, what they were being taught, and what the media generally and what the Western liberal, secular brainwashing, what that portrayed Islam to be was very different from what they actually learned about Islam. And I mean, we've got examples of academics, people who were writing books against Islam, going to scholars to try to get more ammunition and more information, more ammunition from what they thought to be able to fight against Islam. But it ended in themselves humbling themselves and accepting this religion. Now, brothers and sisters, I'm sorry if I'm sort of going on a little bit because we're perhaps a little bit off topic, but if you are interested in accepting Islam or looking into Islam, then we'd be very honored if you email us and we can send you some resources, free websites. If you don't want to come on a live show, you don't have to. You can do it completely in your privacy, offline. But we'd be very happy to help you with that journey. So please, as brothers in humanity, we are, we're here and we're ready to help you, inshallah, with that journey. So don't see that you see yourself as being alone in that journey. There is lots of help out there, lots of resources out there.